So when you're doing whole salmon like this, what you love about this is the fat content, the omega-3 fatty acids, and just a beautiful feed. One of my favorite ways to grill this is standing straight up. We all know the belly is extremely fat, so it's gonna hold that heat for a lot longer than, say, the top loin of the salmon. So it's built perfectly just to sit up like that on the grill. Now, in order to help us get that bend, I'm gonna put a couple slices down one side. Let me show you. And I'll just go right down the side. Now we've got this awesome space in here. We're gonna put a little bit of foil. We're gonna put a little bit of foil right in here to help it stand up. This is gonna be the back side, and this is just gonna help it stand, okay? And then we're gonna pull the belly gently, like a kickstand, like a salmon belly kickstand, and that's that. Now I'm thinking about getting one more fish on there, possibly facing the same way. So let's slice that side up just like we did the last one. Again, bring that belly out. Get that pectoral fin popping out. That's us. Beautiful. We're gonna shut this lid. We want it about 300 degrees for about an hour and a half. Then we're gonna take the jacket off. We're gonna peel that skin right off. And because of the fat content just underneath that skin, it comes off in one beautiful sheet. Then maybe we put some sauce on it, close it, roast it, and then let people eat right off the grill. So we met Steve yesterday. He's got a question about this beautiful salmon. Steve, what you got?
Yeah, I learned a lot about listening to you demonstrate this stuff, but I had a question about the foil rolled up in the belly of the salmon, and to transfer the heat or just lay it open?
You know, I used to use citrus cut in half and thinking it would season the belly a little bit, but really that foil does help radiate a little bit of heat, and it also gives it a nice stand, and you can mold it however you want to, so that salmon sits right up perfectly. Great question on that. This is just absolutely one of my favorite ways to do a salmon, and every time we lift that lid, folks are just coming out with their cameras taking the pictures. This is probably one of the most photographed pieces and prize dishes we'll do this whole entire week.
I was lucky enough to taste it yesterday. That's like butter. It's as tender as anything. So,
you gonna make it when you get home?
Yeah, for sure.
So we've let these onions sit on the grill at the same time as the salmon, and those same drippings that we're smoking the salmon with have actually smoked this out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna chop this up, mix it up, pull some of the meat, and make a beautiful salad to serve right off the grill with that salmon. I got Chef Ricky here. We met here at the World Food Championship, and we're gonna do this salmon together. It's time to take the jackets off, and I'll show you what that means. So when you're taking that jacket off, all I mean is to peel the skin back. Again, you want to trace with a knife, not necessarily cut into the meat, but go ahead and trace a little line right in front of that pectoral fin, and boom, right around that gill platelet. And then you're going to start from the head to the tail, peeling that triangle, and then it just comes off like a sheet, or taking the jacket off. Remember, there's a lot of nutrients in that skin, so a little splash of soy sauce and then put it back on the grill for a little bit and it'll crisp up. Beautiful textural contrast. We're gonna close this lid, let the drippings of the salmon hit the top of that slow roller, caramelize and smoke the fish. We probably got about another 10 minutes. Then we're gonna make a black pepper honey. Use whatever sauce you like. This one's really difficult. Honey, black pepper. Pour it over the top, close the lid again and let some of that smoke adhere to it, and then just let people eat right off the grill. One of my favorite ways to celebrate this beautiful salmon.
Oh man, this is my first time, man, peeling the skin like this. It came off like butter. It's amazing, man. This is crazy. I can't wait to try it, bro. That sauce looks excellent, man.
Good word, Chef.
Yes, thank you, man. Thank you for letting me do this.
That's a barbecue handshake right there. We're gonna give this about 5 more minutes, and we're gonna let all that smoke adhere to that honey. It's pellicle, right? Sticky, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Once everybody's standing around, we'll hand the tongs out, and they're just gonna eat right off the grill. That's barbecue.
I think it's wonderful.
That's a big, intimidating fish.
But you know what? It's built to do this because of the fattiness of the belly will take the higher heat while this top loin cooks, and you don't have to flip it. And so what happens is we peel the skin back just like a jacket, and it's so fatty, that salmon, that beautiful fat allows us just to peel the skin back, and we give people tongs, and they take it right off the fish. Again, it's one of our favorite, me and Chef Ricky's favorite ways to do a whole salmon. This presentation works on other fish as well. If you have a bass family fish or a trout, you can set it up. Remember, put that foil right in, let it stand up, and just bring people in. Everybody ready for a little bit of salmon? Let's hit it. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, folks, hit it. We just met Chef Ricky here today at the World Food Championship. It's young men like this that are the future of barbecue. I absolutely love it. Brother, I can't thank you enough for all your help.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I want to dig in here.
Oh, is that crispy? Can I hear that crisp?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
Let's show me the crackle.
Ready?
and then so hold it like a chip. Put that on there. That's the bite right there. That's
Ready?
the bite.
Oh my God. Oh man. Yeah, Chef. Yeah.
Chef,
No, this is great. Thank you, man.
sensational work.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
And that's why Kamado Joe's here at the World Food Championship, meeting great folks like this and spreading the love. Let's get into the next recipe.